Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're into canning, cooking, or making your own homemade sauces, jams, and baby food, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about the Norpro stainless steel 642 Chinois with stand and pestle set. A tool that truly stands out when it comes to straining, pureeing, and canning. This is arguably the best sieve you'll need for your kitchen. Now, what exactly makes this Chinois so special? First off, it's a versatile tool. Also known as a bouillon strainer, jelly strainer, or even a china cap, the Norpro Chinois is designed to efficiently strain and puree a variety of ingredients. Whether you're working with fruits, vegetables, berries, or even making stocks, soups, or sauces, this strainer ensures that everything you need to work with is as smooth as possible. It can handle large batches, making it perfect for canning projects or meal prep in the kitchen. This set comes with a sturdy stainless steel chinois, which is both durable and easy to clean. The polished finish looks great on your countertop and won't corrode over time, even with repeated use. It also includes a chrome steel stand, which is adjustable to fit different sized pans, ranging from 4 to 10 quarts. This means you can use it with a variety of cookware, whether you're dealing with a small sauce or a large stock pot. One of the standout features of this set is the wooden pestle. The pestle helps you push ingredients through the mesh of the chinois, ensuring that you extract every bit of goodness. This makes the process so much easier and quicker, particularly when you're making sauces or pureeing fruit for desserts or baby food. The whole set is compact, measuring 9 inches by 7 inches by 7 inches, so it won't take up too much space in your kitchen, but it still gives you a generous capacity. And don't worry, hand washing is recommended to keep it in top condition for years to come. What really sets this tool apart is its ability to create smooth, perfectly strained liquids and purees. Imagine making homemade soups with perfectly pureed vegetables, or jams that are free of seeds and skin. This chinois will give you that smooth, restaurant-quality result every time. And when it comes to canning, this strainer is invaluable. The fine mesh ensures that only the purest liquids make it into your jars, preserving the flavor and texture of your food for months. In conclusion, the Norpro stainless steel 642 Chinois with stand and pestle set is not just a sieve. It's a must-have tool for anyone serious about cooking, canning, or even baby food preparation. Its sturdy build, ease of use, and versatility make it the best sieve you'll ever own, and it's a game-changer in the kitchen. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen tools, consider adding this chinois to your collection. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews like this one. See you next time.